Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Hycroft Mining, ticker symbol HYMC. I will also be going over the gold miners ETF, ticker symbol GDX. But first, I'm going to go over Hycroft. And so as I've covered this in previous videos, as you can see, there is this downtrending channel, parallel channel that the price has more or less resided in, with a few times breaking out of the channel, including what I would refer to as bearish consolidation, uptrending consolidation before a break below, happening again. And then here on November 15th, you can see where there was a reverse split. Price dropped a little bit to, I believe, an all-time low of $1.63 post-split value, and then broke above this orange line that's at $2.16.1 based on the close of October 30th. And so while closing above that level was nice, there was still a close within the channel the following day, opening outside of the channel, but then breaking below. And then as you can see, the past, 5 trading days, there has been no close above the level of 216. The closest was on November 20th, which was a high and a close at $2.16, whereas that line based on the close of this day is at 216.1. And so that makes me think that this is a significant level. This orange line is a significant level of resistance. And with a close on Friday of November 24th the close being $2.03, as you can see in the, see my hand, top right up here, $2.03. That is technically above the top of this channel. However, it's right around that level. I might have drawn the channel imperfectly. So to me, that makes me think that with this resistance at 216, and then also this trend line level that I went over in previous videos, I think there's a lot of resistance that the stock price is going to be facing. And my plan, or my expectation, is that the price will drop to $1.50, which you can see as the blue line right here. And so, I've taken a lot of inspiration from the quote from the new movie, The Killer, that is, stick to the plan, anticipate, don't improvise. And so my plan is to hold and wait for $1.50. If it never gets to that level, that's fine. There are other positions I can focus on. But I expect, because there was this reverse split and there were these breaks of this bearish consolidation, my expectation is following a reverse split, there will be more downside before a true bottom is formed. And I don't think that bottom has been formed, especially with this resistance here, with volume dying down. However, that could also be because of the holiday week. But my plan is $1.50, and so I'm going to stick to that. I'm going to anticipate that drop and not improvise. And then anyways, if you're not interested in Hycroft, maybe it's a little too risky, but you're interested in gold miners, just wanted to go over GDX. This might be of interest. And so this is also, showing the daily candles. And what I noticed is what looks like, it's kind of an ugly inverse head and shoulders, but it looks like there's this nice left shoulder here, kind of a double shoulder head here, and then again, a double shoulder for the right shoulder. And it looks like, based on the lows over here in May, the end of May, right around $30, $30.11, that seems like it could be a level of resistance. But with a break above that, it seems feasible that not only would $32.75 be tested, which is based on the highs over here from the beginning of 2023, but it could be breaking above that even higher to the highs, this double top between mid-April and the beginning of May. That would be at $35.81. However, looking on a longer time scale, the weekly time scale, it's possible that there is this downtrend. You can see the touch points there. There was a little bit of a break here, but it does look like there's this downtrending level of resistance. And so if this head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern, does break to the upside, I do think the target would be this downtrending line, which would be around 34, 35 bucks. And so you can also think about that if you think of that as a measured move, looking at the chart here. So basically going from the bottom of the head to the neckline, that's around 17%. And if we take that same line and move that up, move it over here, that's only 14% because, price increase, so the percentage change is smaller, but that would bring you to either that downtrending line or perhaps testing that level at $35.74. And so those are my thoughts on not only Hycroft mining, but also the GDX ETF on gold miners. And so if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot.